Example problem 8 reads, what is the mass of an object whose density is 1.905 grams per milliliter and volume is 0.40 liters? The problem tells us that we have a density of 1.905 grams per milliliter and that we have a volume of 0.40 liters. It's asking us for the mass, which we know is measured in units of grams. The formula that we're going to use is density equals mass over volume, where mass is measured in grams, volume is measured in milliliters, and density is measured in grams per milliliter. So just doing a quick unit check, you notice that volume is not in the correct units. It needs to be in units of milliliters. So we're going from a base unit to something with a prefix. That is going to be a one-step conversion. So we will draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring liters to the bottom to cancel, and convert straight to milliliters in one go. So we give the 1 to the thing with the prefix and the metric system constant to the base unit. So in your calculators, you should write 0.4 divided by 1 e to the minus third. So 0.4 divided by 1 second e to the minus third. And that is going to equal 400 milliliters. So now we're ready to put this into our equation to solve for the mass. So 1.905 grams per milliliters equals X, because we're looking for mass, divided by 400 milliliters. To get X by itself, since there's a division bar here, we have to multiply by 400 milliliters so that that can cancel. Multiply by 400 milliliters. And so 1.905 times 400 equals a mass of 762 grams. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions about example problem 8.